Weitz Luxenberg has compassion and resources. I'm out there and I'm supported by that. Specifically resources, it's not just the top of the country trial attorneys I can reach out to and ask for input. It's the financial resources to back up visiting a client immediately once you decided that Weitz is for you, which we hope it is.
You want a law firm that's done it before, that's handled cases like yours and has had success in cases like yours.
The number one thing is trust, and that's built by honesty. I appreciate being able to meet the client or the family in person as soon as possible when that allows. Meeting them and learning a little more about them in person, something you can't learn from medical records and sometimes not even from phone calls. It's about being upfront with them, letting them know what's going on.
If somebody received a diagnosis of mesothelioma, they should be seeking out a firm that's very aware of the illness, and there are many different types of mesotheliomas. They want a firm that's going to be sensitive and aware of the process that they are going to be going through, not only in regards to the litigation, but their treatments and how they're going to feel as they go through those treatments.
I always tell clients there's enough to worry about without also worrying about whether their case is in good hands. So let us worry about the case so that you don't have to.
Any client who is interested in hiring a law firm would be looking for a firm that's going to work hard, do comprehensive investigations, fight for your rights. Just a firm that's going to be all in, representing the needs of the client and working hard to get the best results for the case and the best results for justice.
You know, when a family's in a crisis, I think it's just reassuring to know that the legal side of things is being taken care of by somebody who knows how to do it.
I think that they want a firm with a proven track record, obviously, for monetary recoveries, for compensation for their injuries. But they also want a firm that's going to interact with them and be able to communicate with them, knowing what they're dealing with on a day-to-day and month-to-month basis.
When I was a young DA, the district attorney who had been in private practice before told us the biggest complaint people have about lawyers is they're very active at the beginning of a case, getting a new client, and there's a lot of excitement and flurry of activity, and then the lawyer has maybe 100 other cases that they're juggling. Even though you may know nothing new is going on with that case, the client doesn't know that. What I've made it a priority here, we have a client relations paralegal whose job is just to stay in touch with every client. As much as they want to talk to us, we are responsive, and every call gets returned within 24 hours, either email, text, phone call. We're here.
Download the Law Firm Selection Checklist from Weitz and Luxenberg. We literally wrote the book on New York asbestos litigation. Call 1-833-LAW-CHECK to learn more. That's 833-LAW-CHECK.